If you're in AI, whether you're learning, trying to find a job, or trying to start an AI business, then starting a YouTube channel might be one of the smartest moves you can make. And in this video, I'm going to explain why and what you should do to start. But before that, let me take you back a year ago. I was working full-time as a Gen AI engineer. I had been there for 10 months, and even though the job itself was fine, I already knew I didn't want to spend my life building someone else's dream. I wanted my own thing. At the time, I was making around $600 a month. I know that might sound very low to people living in the US, Europe, or a lot of other places, but where I live, especially as a junior, that was actually a decent amount of money. Still, I kept thinking the same thing. With the right setup, I could probably make that or even more in less time and effort. So I started looking for ways to make money online. Something I could do on the side and maybe scale into something big enough that I wouldn't need a regular job anymore. That's when I got introduced to YouTube search-based content. The idea was simple. Make tutorials about random tools and problems people were facing. Post as much as possible, wait for the videos to rank in search, and then slowly start getting views, monetization, and ad revenue. I started doing that consistently for about 2 months with my lifelong best friend. While I was still working, of course. Then we switched strategy. We stopped making videos about random tools and started focusing on AI and AI automation. So we began posting content around N8N, making tutorials about it, and creating automations and sharing them publicly on YouTube. And that's when things changed for us. We were still far from monetization, but we had around 1K subscribers, and people started reaching out to us asking us to build automations for them, and they were paying us. That was the plot twist. I started making almost half of my salary back then from that little channel. And it was all with a small, unmonetized YouTube channel with no extra outreach. That's when I thought to myself, YouTube is way more than just ad revenue. If I took this seriously, I could probably make more than my salary in no time. So I quit my job. After that, I had more free time to make more videos, build automations for people who requested them, and do outreach on my own to get more clients. And like that, I've been making around $1K a month with less time and effort than I used to put into my old job. And none of that $1K is from YouTube ad revenue. Now, I'm trying to scale that into $5K a month by creating our own partnership model, where our viewers can also make money without paying a single dollar for anything. We talked about that strategy in the previous video, so feel free to go watch it after this one. The link is in the description. And while you're at it, don't forget to leave a like. Now, the reason I brought up my personal story is simple. Most people already know the obvious benefits of YouTube. They think about things like monetization, views, fame, affiliate income, courses, and brand deals. And yes, all of that is real, but in AI, YouTube goes way beyond monetization. The ad revenue is nice, sure, but that's honestly not even the main reason I think AI people should start a YouTube channel. Because in AI, starting a YouTube channel can unlock a lot more than just money from the platform itself. You can share tutorials, document your journey, and open the door for like-minded people or people interested in what you build to reach out to you. Exactly like what happened to me. I didn't have to go find clients at first. People saw what I was building. I showcased my skills and they came to me. It also builds trust. People get to know you before they contact you. And that matters whether you're trying to land clients, get freelance work, or even find a job. And by sharing your AI skills on YouTube and helping people, you're already building a portfolio that you can later use to find a job, for example. It can also create job opportunities for you. And on top of that, you learn way better. Because from my experience, if I start learning a skill and then try to teach it to someone else, I learn it way faster. You also get much better at communication. And if you keep sharing genuine value, you'll start building a real community that actually cares about you and the content you make. Then, in the future, if you decide to build a business, you already have people behind you supporting you and becoming your first clients. Of course, that only works if you keep it real and don't try to scam people with trash courses and fake promises. So yeah, there are a lot of hidden benefits to YouTube that people overlook. And this works especially well in AI because the space is moving fast. A lot of people are just confused and a lot of them are actively looking for help and answers. So if you can provide that, you already won. There's a lot of traction in it. Now, of course, if you're in other niches, chasing virality and views can be a good strategy. But in AI, and especially if you're learning, you should keep your content as real and as authentic as possible, and focus on actually helping people. So yeah, that's why I think people in AI should start YouTube. But now, the real question is, how do you actually start the right way? And my answer is simple. There is no perfect way. Just start documenting what you're learning and what you're building. Try to actually provide value. Try to help people. Do not overthink it and just start now. Post your first video. Don't wait for some highly edited, super polished, perfect video. You don't need that to begin. Just screen record, cut out the silences, and that's literally enough to start. Be consistent, keep showing up, and don't make my mistake by chasing virality. You'll get lost if you do that. Keep your main objective in mind, helping people and documenting your journey. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be useful. And that's it. So after you finish watching this video, I want you to start thinking about your first video. Record it, post it, and let me know in the comments whether you took the first step or not. So yeah, that's been it guys. I hope you enjoyed this and found it useful. Let me know in the comments what you think. I can't wait to read your comments and watch your videos. And if you watched my previous video and you're interested in the partnership model, don't forget to contact us through the email in the description. I hope I see you in the next video and goodbye.